Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how I made over $170 using my CJ account and Fiverr. Hey guys, welcome back. On this video I'm going to show you the strategy that I used to make over $170 on two sales using my CJ affiliate account. Okay, so if you're not familiar with CJ, it's actually an affiliate platform that accounts with a lot of different offers that you can promote, right? So the way that I made this the $170, and let me refresh my page just in case if you have concerns that this is legit, right? Um, so the way that I found this offer was through Fiverr. See, it came up, right? So what's through Fiverr, right? Fiverr, it's a great platform, right, where you can find whatever service you need to a great price, right? So you can find here logos as you can see over here. Here are some of the offers that I've hired, right? And you can find whatever option you need over here, right? To a great reasonable price, right? So the option that I'm talking about is this one, right? So let me show you. This is the gig. He has the different offers, right? And as you can see, um, this one, he would actually give you an Amazon or ClickBank affiliate website, right? He can even combine the different offers, right? Which is great, right? Plus, on this one, he's gonna also give you 6 months free on Google SEO, right? That's great. That's great because it's gonna help you with the traffic, right? Obviously, it's not gonna be the same as doing paid ads, which is the best advice, right? But it definitely helps, right? So the way that this works is by just placing an order with this gig, right? And I mean, you do not necessarily need to place an order with this gig. I mean, there are a lot of different options in Fiverr where you can just pay someone to build a funnel or a simple website, including your ClickBank or the Max Bounty or whatever the affiliate program that you're enrolled into, right? So the great thing about this offer was the price, right? That's something that definitely called my attention. As you can see over here, he already has a good number of orders in his queue, right? And even the feedback from the people, right? Because the one of the things that called my attention was the fact that he would not deliver the site until you had already gained a sale, right? Which that was actually my case. On my case, he only I made two sales, right? And with those two sales, it was over $170, which that's great, right? So, like I mentioned, I mean, on my specific site, it's actually pointing to a hosting service, right? And I love it, right? Because it's a great returning, right? So. If you're not familiar with Fiverr, I'm gonna leave a link below, right? So you can take advantage of Fiverr. And the way that this works is that you're just gonna select whatever plan you're interested on, and you're just gonna continue placing your order, right? Something that I love about Fiverr is that even if you have any kind of problems, you can actually create like a dispute case with Fiverr, and in all my different scenarios, I have a very good um, cases handling everything with the gig on Fiverr, right? So I've never had to create like a dispute, right? I've been able to solve everything with the gig, right? So like and even the delivery times, right? Depending on the offer that you're selecting, they're gonna always stick with the delivery time, right? So I mean, it's just a matter of you talking with whatever service you're selecting, right? So what I'll do on this and a specific order, because what I did is that I talked with the gig on this offer, is that I'm gonna leave below a link with the generic code so you can get a discount, right? And I mean, like I mentioned, you do not have to do this, right? This is just an option, right? Um, you can even take advantage of the different offers within the Fiverr, and it's great. I mean, if you were looking for a way to try to find a good platform, right? A website. This is the option, guys, right? I mean, that's up to you on whatever you want to decide, right?